bubuwagin na natin the groupings.
Magkakasama-sama sa iisang grupo sina Mika, Tippy, James, Aria, Sue, Nell, Miles, Paul, Joe, Lynn, Devon, Trisha, at Anli. Bago pa man makarating sa kanilang dressing room, nakapag-desisyon na ang group 2 na si Nell ang kanilang magiging leader. I will be the group leader.
Yeah!
Pero sa gitna ng excitement ng bagong grupo, mukhang may apektado sa hiwalayang naganap.
Siyempre, napalapit na po ako sa kanilang lahat. Tapos, yung Miyerkules, parang since going bulilit kami din magkakasama, parang nakakalungkot lang po na nagkahiwalay-walay po kami.
Pero tuloy pa rin ang lahat sa pag-discuss kung anong magiging name ng scene nila.
Overload! 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 Good afternoon mga teammates. Oras na para makihangot sa official team bayan. Ito ang Shout Out
Level Up! Level up the performances at level up sa pagpapakatotoo dahil this time, mas makikilala na ang inyong mga paboritong teammates.
Today, Team Overload naman ang ating susundan.
Kaya simulan na natin at silipin na natin ang auditions ng Team Overload.
Video, play now.
Umaga pa lang, naghahanda na ang Team Overload para sa kanilang audition. Haharap sila sa tatlong coaches na huhubog sa kanilang talent. Para sa acting, ang resident acting coach ng Star Magic na si Direk Brian Carlos. Ang Tux member at kilalang vocal coach ng Pinoy Gym Academy na si Teacher Monet Silvestre. At ang Euro Dance Master ng Act of Rocks na si Mickey Cruz.
Magandang umaga. Tulong ba tayo ng isa? Anak ba Terry?
Kasi po yung 9 to 1, so I thought anytime between 9 to 1.
First things first. Kung ano yung binibigay niyo sa amin, yun yung first impression, di ba? As basic as coming on time, di ba? Sa akin lang kapag late ka, hindi ka karapat dapat maging artista.
Sorry, not gonna happen again.
Dahil sa sermon na natanggap ng isa sa kanilang members, maapektuhan kaya ang audition ng teammates or lalo silang mamomotivate na magpa-impress sa coaches.
Okay, let's do it.
Bago ang isip niya, hindi ko alam na ganun pala siya. Tinaasan niya lang ako.
Prepare more yourself than your outfit.
Sobrang kinakabahan kasi parang sanay ako sa pag kumakanta ako pero sila.
Maging lucky charm naman kaya ni Arya, ang best friend niya.
Usually, it's something I'm comfortable with. Parang best friend ko siya.
I like it. Kasi parang ang sarap mong pakinggan, tapos gusto kong tapusin yung kanta. Wow, parang ang sarap talaga. Ang gaan ng feeling, parang napapaganito.
Positive feedback din kaya ang makukuha ng na-late na si Trisha.
I think the dance is a cute dance. I mean, at least effort that you have the rhythm. You're very flexible, di ba? Pwede kang contortionist.
Kung mawawala ang shoutout, mawawala yung saya, yung hard work na ginagawa namin. Parang family kami lahat. It makes you wanna work so much harder.
Kita namin yung talent na galing talaga. Gusto kita dahil on time ka. Only for that, I will work with actors who are very workable in terms of attitude. Pero ngayon, you're boring.
Boring din kaya ang tingin ng coaches kay Miles na kinakabahan bago mag-audition. Mayo.
Gosh. Importante po sa akin yung shoutout kasi ito po yung isang stage ng career mo. So parang, pag nawala to, parang babalik ka ulit para simulan ulit.
You don't need to be nervous. It's your audition, so impress us. Kanina pumasok ka dito kabado ka, kita-kita sa mata mo, pero pag rumolyo na yung camera, meron kang concept anak nung always say yes sa spontaneous improvisation. Diba? Sige, mag-enjoy na lang ako dun sa gagawin ko.
Nakabuhan talaga ako. Ayun, ito epekto. Diba, lumalaki yung iyak, yung marami. After ng audition, time for the coaches para mag-usap kung sino sa Team Overload ang kakasali sa dalawang production number. Una, ang spot number.
So, Nika.
They don't know that I can run it on when I fall down.
I'll call si Arya na rin.
It's bringing me down, I know. I've got to let it go. And just enjoy the show.
On the dancing side. Nell.
Cause baby tonight.
Hey! Hey! Come on! You did a good job. Miles. The vocalist for the production number 50.
Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Nagkaroon ng isang malaking desisyon ang coaches.
Nag-decide kami na 5 lang. Kaya lang, we strongly feel to have one more slot. Kaya lang, yung sa 6 slot na yun, may 2 nag-tie. We'll give you chance. Sa rehearsal, you need to give your best shot. Kasi pipiliin lang namin isa. We'll give it to Lynn. Okay. Last one will be Anne. Okay. For those na hindi napili sa kauna-unahang linggo ngayon. Di ba? Treat it as a stepping stone.
Medyo sad po ako kasi nangako best ko. Pero sa next audition, dun niya ako babawi talaga.
Sa tingin ko po, naka-apekto yung pagiging late, gano'n. Pero next time, syempre, alam ko na kung ano yung mga dapat gawin.
Unang araw ng rehearsals ng mga napili para sa production number. At mukhang game na game at seryoso ang teammates ng Team Overload. Na-assign ko ako sa dance group. Tapos, siyempre po mahirap kasi yun nga po, parang kailangan ibigay yung best mo kasi alam mo parang merong competition, merong kailangan nilang pumili. So, kailangan ko po mag-focus.
The pressure is on.
Pero si Lynn at Anne, mukhang pressure dahil kailangan nilang mag-shine para sa 6 slot.
There's so much pressure. Kasi the competition between me and Anne. Kasi syempre naman, I want a spot. I want the slot. I want the 6th spot. He doesn't want it. So I feel very pressured right now. I feel like Anne is a very good dancer to me. And there's a good chance. There's 50-50, diba?
Just to remind you guys, I know maybe you don't hear it, the music, but you have to study hard or harder because don't forget, you are still in the wildcard team, huh? So tomorrow is the verdict day. So if ever what you're going to learn today, you have to do it tomorrow. So tomorrow you're going to be judged for what you're going to learn. So right now what you're doing is trying to pick up, which is the normal, what you're always doing, trying to pick up. But now it's all about are you in or not. So you have to level up. Okay? Don't forget, I know we are all friends, but only one will be picking in. So don't be friends right now. I understand. It's not about being mean to each other, but it's about who wants it more.
If it's a wild card, you should be 30 minutes earlier. You should go for it. And she thinks she can do it and she's in pa.